In the fading light, a trio of young adventurers set out towards the mysterious forest, their hearts filled with curiosity and excitement. As they entered the forest's depths, a sense of magic and wonder enveloped them, beckoning them further into the unknown. In the heart of the Whispering Woods, the children stumbled upon a glimmering secret that promised to change their village forever. The discovery of the symbols signaled the beginning of a perilous journey, filled with challenges and enigmas beyond their wildest imaginations. The trio faced their first trial, a riddle whispered by the river's current, testing their wits and resolve in the face of uncertainty. Max's unique gift of communication with the forest dwellers proved to be the key in unraveling the forest's cryptic messages and hidden truths. Emma's bravery shone brightest as she climbed the oak, deciphering the symbols adorning its branches and leading the way forward. As they neared the final challenge, the true test of their friendship and unity awaited, demanding that they look beyond logic and into their hearts for the answer. The moment of truth arrived as the ancient force guarding the treasure tested the trio's bond, pushing them to their limits in a final trial of courage and faith. Through unwavering trust and understanding, the children unlocked the treasure, their spirits forever bound by the magic of friendship and the triumph of harmony over discord.